back. Today we are going to be talking about how to make your Instagram actually searchable in just 3 easy steps. Because let's be honest, if you're putting all this time and effort and energy into taking pictures and making reels and creating content and writing your captions and showing up in stories, blah, 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 we want to make sure that people can actually find you on Instagram, but more specifically, the people who are looking for what you do, right? So let's make sure that you're making your Instagram work for you. Okay, so the very first thing that we're going to talk about here is your Instagram handle, meaning the words that are coming after the little at sign, right? Look me up on Instagram at Nicole Ricardo, right? So when it comes to your Instagram handle, you want that to be your name, okay? Or your business name. We don't want to get super creative with this. Whatever people are going to go onto Instagram and search for you under, that's what you want your Instagram handle to be. So for example, if you're out at a party and you're like, oh, hey, yeah, my name's Nicole Ricardo, blah, 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 nice to meet you. If somebody's going to go on Instagram afterwards, that's what they are going to type in. So if somebody is typing in my name, I want to make sure that I am showing up for that, right? So if I had some sort of, I don't know, fancy creative name like at Relentless Flower 92. I don't know, I'm literally looking at a book on my desk. Can you tell I'm reading a book called Relentless right now? Anyway, like people are going to search for that, right? They're going to type in Nicole Ricardo and try to find me. So make sure that whatever your Instagram handle is either just your name or your business name, whatever that is going under. So that way when people go to Instagram after they've met you IRL or whatever, heard about you through the grapevine, that's what they are going to type in. They're going to type in your name, okay? Now, number 2, let's talk about your name on Instagram, because your Instagram handle, meaning that at Nicole Ricardo, is different than the little name line. And I'll pop a little screenshot up here to show you where your name is on Instagram. So your Instagram name is also searchable. So I do recommend finding some keywords of what people would be typing in to find what you do. So let's say you are a video editor. You might want to put video editor in that line. Or if I am a business coach and marketing strategist, I might put that in there. Or Wix website designer. Whatever it is that you're doing that people are going to be looking for, put it in that line, because now you're going to show up for your name, your actual name at Nicole Ricardo, but also what you do. So Wix website designer. So now we're starting to optimize our searchability here. You sticking with me? All right. Now let's go to the third thing. Now the last thing that we're going to talk about here, third thing, well actually not the last thing, because you know I always have bonus tips. Anyway, your Instagram bio, okay? Obviously optimize it with the keywords for whatever you want to show up for, but I want to give you a quick do not do. Don't put hashtags in your Instagram bio. It doesn't do anything. Instagram is not searching your bio for hashtags. If you want to use hashtags, use it on your actual posts that you are putting up in feed. And I think of hashtags as, again, searchability. So I'll give you an example. When I'm looking for photographers or hairdressers or tattoo artists, I'm searching Instagram based on those keywords. So I might look up hashtag Austin tattoo artist or hashtag Austin photographer, right? So that's the way that you want to think about hashtags, but use them on your posts. You don't need to use them in your actual bio, okay? But I also want to give you a little bonus tip. Now, bonus tip for you, when you go on Instagram now and you just go into the search feature, it brings up just a general search, and it does now search your actual posts. So if there are specific keywords, like let's say you are a Wix website designer and that's what you specialize in, that's what you want people to find you for, I would try to incorporate the keyword Wix website designer into pretty much every caption that you're putting up. Because then if somebody just goes into search on Instagram and types in Wix website designer, now it can pull from your Instagram name, from something you have in your bio, as well as all of those posts that you have Wix website designer in the caption. So that's also worth noting, is your captions are now searchable. Okay, so make sure that you're also being strategic there on what you want to be found for on Instagram. So, there you go. There's your hot Instagram tips. If you want to learn more about Instagram related things, shameless plug, pew pew pew. I do have a course called the Instagram Marketing and Sales Academy, which is, yeah, sure, let's take pretty pictures and here's how to write a caption, but also it's how to use Instagram as an actual marketing tool to get more sales for your business. Because novel idea, if you're watching this video, that's probably what you want to do. And also free resource alert if you're like, okay, cool, but like I just want to like dip my toes in the water first. I have this awesome quiz called What's Your Badass Business Persona, and it's going to give you a full breakdown of where you're at right now in your business, what your strengths are, some areas for opportunity, and some next steps for you to take. So if any of those sound fun and interesting to you, I will put them down below this video. And if you want to come hang out with me, be virtual biz besties, come find me on Instagram. It's where I spend most of my internet time, at Nicole Ricardo. I'll see you in the next video.